A high-level meeting of the international players supporting the AMISOM mission in Somalia has been taking place in Brussels. Jack Parrock has been following the meeting and spoke to Francisco Madeira, who heads up the AMISOM mission. Let's listen in.
Special representative to the chairperson of the African Union Commission and head of the AMISOM mission yourself, Francisco Madeira, thank you very much for joining us. Now, you've been in Brussels to discuss the AMISOM mission with Somalian government officials as well as international partners regarding the plan for a transition away from security being taken over by the AMISOM mission and into the national authorities of Somalia. Can you tell us a little bit about what took place at today's meetings and how you feel they went?
It was an extremely positive and successful meeting. We now have a roadmap, a clear-cut way forward on what we need to do to eventually end up with the transitioning of security responsibilities from AMISOM to the Somali National Security Forces.
The AMISOM mission was started back in 2007. It's running until 2021. That's when the mandate ends. But Al-Shabaab is still conducting attacks in Somalia. How can you ensure they're defeated before the end of the mandate?
Well, the idea is not to count our drawdown and exit on the basis of how much we have defeated Al-Shabaab. The idea is to empower the Somalis to be able to continue whatever we may not have finished.
We're here in Brussels. The European Union has provided well over $1 billion to the AMISOM mission. How difficult might it be for Somalia to continue without that sort of funding, or do you expect that sort of thing to continue?
Surely this process that we are undergoing is a process that will allow us to judge whether the Somali security forces are ready or not to take over from us. This is a very important criteria. They must be ready because we are not interested to leave this place. Neither are the Somalis interested to allow us to leave and to have at the end as a result to lose or to lay to waste all the gains that we have so far accumulated.
AMISOM's been involved in the relief effort for tens of thousands of people who are struggling the effects of massive floods in Somalia at the moment. I wonder if you can give us a quick update on how that relief effort's going.
Surely. Our troops have been extremely heroic in making sure that the affected populations, as a result of the Shabelle River that burst its banks, they have done a wonderful job. They have gone and moved the populations from flood-affected areas to safety, and they are still there doing this work.